Hey guys, it's me Sean, and today I'm going to show you how to clear this error, iPhone unavailable, from your iOS device. This normally occurs when you have entered your passcode incorrectly too many times. So I'm going to show you how to clear this error and regain access to your iOS device. So first, what we are going to do is to power off the device. So press volume up, volume down, and press and hold the power button for about 1 second, and then you will see slide to power off. So we will power off the device. Once the device has been powered off, press and hold the power button whilst inserting the data cable which is connected to your computer to the device. So ensure that the cable is connected to your computer, and once you are started to insert this cable into your device, press and hold the power button. Do not let go. So here we have the device booting. Do not let go at that point either. Continue holding until this screen appears. Okay, so once this screen appears, we can place the device down and transfer to the computer screen, where I will show you what happens next. This screen appears on your computer asking if you want to update or restore your iPhone. In this instance, you're going to click Restore iPhone. It asks you to confirm that you wish to restore the iPhone and all its contents. You're going to press Restore and Update. Once you do that, there's just some security notices to tell you what the update entails. You click Next, agree to the terms and conditions, and as you can see, the iPhone software is being downloaded. It will take a few minutes and then we will continue. There may be instances where you are unable to restore the iPhone directly by pressing Restore or Update. So if this fails, what you can also do is go to this website, ipsw.me. This is a website where you can download the latest signed firmware for your device. So you will go ahead and select your product. We are doing iPhone today. Select your iPhone model. For this exercise, I'm using an iPhone 12. And it will list the latest versions, the various versions of iOS. But as you can see, only one is still assigned, so we are only going to go with 17.5.1. You select it and click download. The download should automatically start. So just allow this download to complete, and then I will show you next steps. So once the download is complete, you can go ahead and press and hold the option button if you're using a Mac, or if you're using a Windows computer, you can use the control button. Whilst pressing and holding control, you click Restore iPhone. Once you click Restore iPhone, you will select the firmware that you just downloaded and click Open. It states that the Mac will erase and restore your iPhone to the iOS version selected and verify the restore with Apple. You go ahead and click Restore. This step and what would occur if the restore button actually worked as indicated earlier is the same. So the download, if we continue the process, the download would have completed and the software would be extracted as it is right now. As you can see, it says that your Mac is preparing to restore the iPhone. Let me just bring the iPhone into the display as well. So you see it restarts. And on the Mac, it says preparing iPhone for restore. And this bar appears to show you the progress of the restore. So just allow a few minutes for this process to carry out. Okay, on the Mac it says restoring iPhone firmware. We're about 1/4 way now. Okay, so now it's verifying the iPhone software. So it's almost complete. As you can see, the bar is maybe like 95%, 99% complete. Okay, so now the process has been completed. It says that your iPhone has been restored and is restarting. So you just click OK and wait for your device to reboot. And there you have it. Your iPhone has rebooted and is brand new as it came off the box. So you can go ahead and set up your iPhone as you would have when you initially bought it from Apple. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips.